If your production cost is getting out of control, listen to this. A Danish fashion brand was losing $25,000 every single season, until one simple fix saved them over $35,000. Like many small and mid-sized brands, they were sourcing from a supplier who kept switching fabric mills. Same composition on paper, completely different quality in reality. Result? 15% defect rate, inconsistent colors, and a production cost that shot up by 20%. That's when they reached out to us at NoName. First thing we did, we sent 8-10 fabric samples for lab testing, and the results confirmed it. The materials were the real villain, not the stitching or the factory. So we replaced the entire fabric supply chain, sourced consistent, high-quality fabrics from our partner mills, applied our ZED-driven Zero Defect production process, and within one production cycle, their defect rate dropped from 15% to under 1%. And here's the shocking part. The moment quality stabilized, the cost crashed. They went from overspending $25,000 to saving $10,000. That's a 40% cost reduction just by fixing fabric sourcing and quality control. If you're a small or mid-size fashion brand, you can't afford unpredictable suppliers. One inconsistent roll of fabric can destroy your margins. If you're struggling with quality issues, high defects, or rising production costs, reach out. At the NoName Company, we help small and mid-sized brands scale with reliable sourcing and zero-defect manufacturing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.